Welcome to another update on a intensifying Typhoon Jebi. And here's a brief look at Japan, its railway network, and the Joint Typhoon Warning Center has the track curving towards Tokyo. And this is a live webcam view of Saipan. Typhoon Jebi continues to move west and, as I just mentioned, is intensifying. Now here's the latest local information for Agrihan, Pagan, Alamagan, the Commonwealth of the Northern Marianas. The typhoon warning remains in effect for the mentioned locations. A few minutes ago, the National Weather Service Guam office put out a further update. Jebi will continue to intensify through Friday night and is forecast to track through the northern islands of the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands as a major typhoon. An eye passage is likely for Pagan Island. And coming up in this update, we'll have a look at the latest satellite imagery. And here's the life of this system. Jebi already has a eye. Joint Typhoon Warning Center won't update for about another hour. The typhoon located 17 decibels 7 degrees north, 148 degrees east, about 140 miles east of Alamagan, 145 east of Pagan, 170 east-southeast of Agrihan, 235 northeast of Saipan, 245 northeast of Tinian, 310 northeast of Rota, and 365 miles northeast of Guam. Maximum sustained winds 110 miles per hour and moving west at 14 miles per hour. Here's a look at the NOAA floaters. Maximum sustained winds remain 110 miles per hour, but is forecast to intensify through Friday night. Typhoon force winds extend outward from the centre up to 35 miles. Tropical storm force winds extend outward from the centre up to 155 miles to the northeast and 110 miles elsewhere. And you can clearly see from the satellite imagery that it is intensifying. Here's a look at the US Navy's. It's part of the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. It's sea level pressure. And the scale's on the right hand side of the screen. The late cycle intensity guidance, one outline of a low Cat 5, and the models are changing. They're looking at anywhere from Cat 3 to Cat 5. Accumulated precipitation. The scale is on the right hand side of the screen and this is in millimetres. So the eyes will be on Pagan Island. and whether the eye will cross over the Northern Islands. Sea surface temperature, the scale is the right hand side of the screen and up to 30 degrees Celsius. Now we have a look at the GFS model. And this is accumulated precipitation and the HWRF. The current Joint Typhoon Warning Center's track chart, and you can clearly see that the cone of uncertainty now has Tokyo inside the circle. We will continue to bring the latest information. Here's the latest tracks from the NWS. And the uncertainty track.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with you at any time. You can also find our YouTube page if you're not there already, subscribed hopefully, and you can also follow our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text. Videos are now there as well, and you can follow us on Twitter at Force 13 is our handle, and it's hashtag F13Sulik if you'd like to draw our attention to anything in future live events or whatnot. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron with its various rewards that come with that feature as well. And you can add me personally, Fool13 at extension 9094 on Discord, and Force13 on Skype for tropical weather chat.